everyone, it's 𝗙vie and 𝗙𝗲𝗏 from The Right Move.
Today we are at one of the rare few ECs in the west of Singapore to bring you perhaps one of the most value for money 3-bedroom purchases at the moment, both for own stay and for investment, here at Westwood Residences.
You ready? Let's go! Welcome! We're standing here at the balcony to show you the highlight of this unit, the views. Overlooking the Westwood landed enclave, you enjoy a permanent unblocked view as well as the unit being extremely quiet. Which is important if you're looking for a unit at Westwood, as there are some units facing the expressway.
Stepping in, this is one of those units that really surprises you when you're told of its size, because it feels much bigger than that. Measuring in at 948 square feet, it functions more or less as a 3-bedroom premium thanks to its yard and bomb shelter that doubles up as a storeroom or a utility room. We even have space for this huge sofa. All bedrooms can comfortably fit a queen-size bed, and they all enjoy their quiet, unblocked view.
And before you go, let me share with you some of the key reasons why this unit makes sense regardless if you're an owner-occupier or investor. Out of a total of 72 ECs in Singapore, there are only 2 recent ones that are direct beneficiaries of the second CBD transformation over in Jurong, and Westwood Residences is one of them. For investors, you can purchase this unit under a single name. Sandwiched between employment hubs at NTU and Jurong, we expect rentals to be in strong demand. For owner-occupiers, the Jurong area is severely undersupplied by condos. As a matter of fact, the entire west of Singapore is quite undersupplied. Couple this with the influx of upgraders from the upcoming Tengah new town, we expect to see a huge supply and demand imbalance that will more or less assure you are sitting on a goldmine of a property.
For amenities, you can head over to 𝗙će𝗿 or Pioneer Mall for groceries. And we have Boon Lay MRT and the huge Jurong Point nearby, all of which are accessible directly from Westwood thanks to our in-house shuttle bus.
Thank you for joining us today. Please remember to like and subscribe as it will help out the channel a ton.
Till next time, bye bye!